It doesn't get much better than having a cute face like this to come home to. Tonka is the newest addition to Ashley Mosseri's family.
They're just so cuddly and so full of love.
But he's a handful.
They are a lot of work, and as in love with them as you will be, it is cleaning up pee, it is letting them out at any time of the night, it is diligent training.
A crate, when used correctly, can be a helpful tool.
When you have a puppy in the house, it's really important that you're able to contain your puppy, both for his or her safety and also to keep all of your possessions intact.
Adam Goldfarb with the Humane Society of the United States says a puppy should only be expected to stay in a crate for 2 or 3 hours at a time.
Good boy.
Or going outside. If you have to leave your puppy alone for longer than that, as Ashley sometimes does, a playpen is a good alternative.
During the day, I leave him in the playpen if I'm not here. But if I'm busy, if I'm cooking or doing something where I can't pay full attention to him, then I'll leave him in the playpen.
Crates are also good for safety down the road.
It's also great for your dog to be accustomed to the crate in case you travel or in case of a disaster. And if they're already trained to go in the crate and they're already comfortable, it's going to make a potentially scary experience easier for everyone.
And the best is when the puppy finally gets comfortable with his little retreat.
Now it's something that he almost looks forward to, is his nighttime routine, and so that helps us a lot.